All right, I'm back, and this time it happened pretty fast. I need 5 syringes to squeeze into the frozen water line, and here we go. What's the magic word? Aha! Abracadabra. All right, don't want to put too much. And again, this time it happened fast, and from my experience, is the most efficient way to defrost your GE fridge frozen water dispenser line. And just it again, it's not supposed to happen, but it happens when the environment for the fridge gets colder, specifically in winter time, and it happens through the night. My suggestion will be that you will go for your freezer temperature options. You just make one step up. It means make it your freezer warmer during the winter time period. All right. Thank you for watching. Will be more, and please subscribe. It should be a subscribe button somewhere below. Thank you for watching. Bye.